30 large eggs, 1 pound of light brown sugar, 2 cups of white sugar, 3 tablespoons of vanilla extract, 2 loaves of sliced white bread, 1½ cups of cinnamon, 3/4 of a gallon of milk, and 8 ounces of butter. Spray pan coating in your hotel pan. Melt the butter. Whisk together brown sugar, white sugar, eggs, and vanilla. Before you add your milk, take a couple of cups of milk and mix it in with your 1½ cups of cinnamon. Mix that up, and then you're going to pour your cinnamon and milk mixture into the bowl. Add the rest of the milk, equaling 3/4 of a gallon. And look at that beautiful shade of brown. Bread pudding, as long as you follow the directions on this, as long as you don't mash things, as long as you mix things gently, as long as you do what I tell you to do, you'll do it right. Gently and slowly pour the wet mixture over the cubed bread. Do not mix the mixture with the bread. Just allow the bread to soak up the wet mix. So now we have this baby ready for the oven. Bake at 400 degrees for about 45 minutes. Then turn down the oven to 350 and continue to bake for another 15 minutes. Get my fingers in there. Okay. The way that I check for doneness is to just kind of see how much movement is in the middle of the big pan. And this has been in here about 55 minutes. I want it to be a little bit more done than this. So I'm going to put it back in there for a few more minutes. And I'm going to turn the temperature down. It's really important because you don't want to burn the outside. You don't want the outside to be too done and then the middle to not be done. I'm just going to tuck my fingers in there. Probably don't want to do this at home, but it smells perfect.